Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord update failed problem on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If your Discord application update is being failed and you are not able to update it, then there are a few ways to get around this issue. Before you uninstall and reinstall the application, just go ahead and open up your phone settings and then tap on Apps. From the Apps page, scroll down and search for Discord, and when you find the application, just tap on it. Now from the application info page, first tap on Force Stop to stop the application and then tap on the OK button. After you do this, tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. After clearing your cache, go back to the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then search for Discord and try tapping on the Update button. If this works and your update is complete, then you're good to go. Otherwise, you will also need to clear your data. So go back to your phone settings and tap on Apps once again, and then open up Discord settings. Now go back to Storage, and this time tap on Clear Data as well, and then tap on the Delete button to delete all of the user data. Now go back to your Play Store or the iOS App Store and search for Discord and try updating it once again. And now this will definitely work. If it still doesn't, then tap on the uninstall button and reinstall the application once again, and now all of your issues will be resolved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix update failed problem on Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.